the volunteer students from Sahara College have organized a hunger strike and signature campaign to protest against the Chinese repression in Tibet. We are here strictly no Losar celebration, the announcement of volunteer students from Sahara College. So, as we all know that many Tibetans had self-immolated in Tibet in the form of complete non-violence to protest against the Chinese repression. 99 Tibetans had self-immolated in the year 2012 alone. This is the highest form of non-violence protest in the world history. For the country Tibet, which has 6 million people as its population, and out of it, if we consider 100 people self-immolated, total 104 self-immolated in and out of Tibet. And if we count the number of people died of other countries, 21 lakh 1,067 Chinese had died out of their total 1,034,004 lakh 130,000 population. 20,000 Indian had died out of their total 1,024,014 lakh 91,960 population. 5,167 Americans died out of their total 31,039 lakh 4,040 population. Can we still be a mere spectator? We can't. We will not be able to do that. So also in 2012, out of 104 self-immolators, 5 are school and college students like us. As per the data, 52 self-immolators strongly expressed the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet, and 36 asked for the freedom and rights. Recently, China has restricted the Tibetans to do the rituals of self-immolators, and in addition to that, Tibetans were told that they must celebrate Losar. It was announced by a Chinese official that those who do not celebrate Losar will be brutally punished. Losar is the first day of New Year. Traditionally, it is celebrated in a very big way, but this year, the Tibetans across the world to shun the celebrations as the current situation in the homeland is grim. So we are here today gathered, not celebrating Losar, but we will be here and protesting against the Chinese brutal repression and the ongoing process in Tibet and snatching the human rights and everything in Tibet. So we're here at the Sahara students. We will be here 24 hours. We will be doing the hunger strike, and we hope that all Tibetans, every Tibetan across the world are with us today. Thank you.